Yes, Mr. Avinash, can you
Yes,
share
should
your
I start?
screen?
Yes. Is the screen sharing on?
No, sir, your screen is not visible. You have not shared yet.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yeah. Avinash, your time starts now.
Yes. Great evening to everyone. Thank you, AI committee, for this opportunity. And my use case is related to use of ChatGPT for financial health assessment, creation of custom GPT for financial health assessment. I come from a place where there are a lot of MSMEs around us. I'm also from Nasik. The earlier participant is also from Nasik. And we have in and around Nasik in total together around, I would say, somewhere close to 2000 MSME companies. And their owners generally do not have access to accurate health assessment of their company. Every time coming to a chartered accountant is a problem, and every time getting the ratios analyzed is a problem. So I thought of creating a custom GPT, which the link when applied to the clients, they can just put in their financials and get the health assessment done anytime they want. The only restriction is to have the financials, that is PNL, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. If cash flow statement is not compulsory, but if available, can be used in PDF or Excel formats. Give it to GPT and just give a very simplistic prompt of generate a health report. So this is the basic thing. So this can be used by consultant as well and the owners of the businesses as well. The challenges overall, it was the manual analysis that generally the MSME owners used to get the analysis at the end of the month, that too quite late, maybe 10 days after the month is over because the accounts were not complete and so on. And that too, when the accounts are complete, the manual processing of the data took a lot of time. So if at any point of time, whatever is the status of updation of accounts, if they just generate PDF of PNL balance sheet and give it to this GPT, custom GPT, they can generate the financial health report. And obviously, the accuracy is higher than any human uh, intervention or an accountant who is not very conversant with calculations of ratios and interpretation of the same. This gives automated reports, good insights on long and short term liquidity aspects of the business, and without any third party intervention directly upfront. So I will share my ChatGPT screen and show what has been done. So here I have the financial health company as a custom GPT. I hope it is visible.
Yes, it is visible, sir.
Yes. So I'll before going to show the evaluation of the data, how it does, I'll just show you how what the basic settings in the GPT are being done. So this is the financial health company and custom GPT. As you know, name, description, and these are the instructions given to the GPT. So it is basically it will help users generate financial health report for business by analyzing uploaded PDF format. Though it is written PDF format, it also evaluates Excel. It reads and extracts relevant financial data, calculates ratios, and present the findings in format specified. So with respect to format, I have just given two PDFs to it. It is a reporting format that was expected, which again was generated by giving a detailed prompt to ChatGPT only and detailed a list of financial ratios that it should be calculating so that it doesn't go on calculating any ratios. Specified list is given. Obviously, it can be increased as the need be, but at present, it is with a specified number of ratios, which generally gives a fair analysis of the health of any business based on the financials. So these are some, this is the detailed thing. So I'll just click update and go to the GPT. I have selected sample data of JLR. it's a publicly listed company, and this is a full report. Just cut it down to the extent of financials so that the load is less. Now let the PDF get uploaded. In a very simple prompt, no need of long prompts is required. So it will extract the name, the data, the period, the date generated on which the report is generated, and this is the format which I have given. Since the figures are in pounds, it has picked up that same symbol. Further, it has been asked to give the formula as well as the values used in the formula so that the user has the access to whatever figures have been picked, because since it is a generative AI and it is picking up from a PDF, there is a possibility of it picking up some wrong figure as such. Obviously, at present, making it pick up 100% of the times accurate figure is not possible. So these figures are given and the ratios are also given over here. And at the end, insights are being generated. So profitability, liquidity, efficiency, and all these insights are generated along with minor suggestions what needs to be done. So this is with respect to the data of a publicly listed company. I have another sample data with me, which is in Excel format of another public company as well. So I just feed it. Though it displays unable to display visualization, it generates the report as if there is some error, maybe I'll reload the file. Okay. I have just created the same, used the same file sometime back, and this is the extraction. So this is the file that I have uploaded. The same file, and it created some time back. Now it's not generating. Maybe because here also it's showing the XLS file, but the report is generated earlier. So I'll just show that report. This way the report gets generated, insights is given, and recommendations are given.
Last 2 minutes,
So
sir.
yes, so uh, my presentation is over. So this is useful basically for MSME owners. I have given this link to my clients, and they can just put in their financials and check the reports. And with respect to whatever ratios are not very good, they then come back. So at least the first stage is become easy. Now, obviously, the question arises that if this is done by client directly, free of cost, then how the revenue can come? But I think I am particularly not in the regular practice, but working in the domain of consultancy. So this becomes a add-on thing for the client to, it's a sample taste given to the client. So that way I have used it. If any questions, I can.
Thank you. Avinash ji. Using normally we in our training sessions also, we keep on saying that if you wish to effectively take out from AI, you should have the domain knowledge. Talking about if client is doing this, the need of us, we have the domain knowledge, client might not have the domain knowledge. So to use any AI tool for that matter effectively 100%, one should have the domain knowledge. Nicely presented, custom GPT use. Thank you, Mr. Avinash. Next is Mr. Pradeep Tayal, sir.
Good evening.
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
Just a moment.